Welcome to our Chinese Cultural Day at ACIS. We're excited to hear about your experience and thoughts on today's event. My favorite activity was when we got to perform because I got to spend time with my friends and create good memories while getting to put on fascinating costumes. I learned about Chinese beliefs and their festivals. In Mid-Autumn Festival, families come together to celebrate and make mooncakes. I find it really interesting because Chinese people get to meet with their family. I find traditional costumes really fascinating because of the arts and crafts got put into making the costumes. I love the performances because students spend time and effort into practicing. They really impressed me. Thank you for watching. Bye!